Exactly, we're going to have to wait on one. A couple of snow totals to share with you today. About 2 inches back in the Mount Washington Valley, an inch around greater Portland. We're still waiting on some to come in from central and eastern Maine, and the reason for that is it is still snowing there. But we have a little sun that's broken out over southern and western parts of the state. Burst of snow on the mid-coast. You saw Camden a few minutes ago, still coming down there, coming down in Bangor, and the snow lifting into Washington and Hancock counties, as well as southern Aroostook County right now. Earlier today, Portland was actually above freezing. That was when we had a southerly wind. Now the wind coming around to the southwest and actually sending in some colder air. We're down to 27 in Portland, 27 in Lewiston, still 30 in Bangor and Calais. We're not quite done yet, and that's because this cold front comes through tonight, and there actually is some pretty decent banding off of Lake Ontario. So we've got a chance that a snow shower or squall survives the trip over the mountains and makes it into Maine tonight. But by 8 o'clock, the snow that we have now shifting east and north, most of us dry, but let's watch this line that comes in around 10 or 11 o'clock tonight. Might get a brief burst of snow as it crosses through the state from west to east during the overnight hours. By tomorrow morning, this is gone though, and we have a good looking day tomorrow. Sunny to partly cloudy skies, maybe a little bit breezy with winds up to about 15 miles per hour, but temps pretty close to average for the time of year. Upper 30s south of the mountains and around 30 across the far north. High pressure is going to build in beginning tomorrow, and it's overhead on Friday. Looking for lots of sunshine here on Friday with temps that'll be in the low to mid 30s. As this high drifts offshore, we get a return flow out of the southwest, and temps will be up into the 40s as we see it in central, southern, and western Maine on Saturday. Probably cloudier and in a little bit colder up in the mountains on Saturday with a chance for a few snow showers up there. That's with this cold front, which is going to come through on Sunday, and the air will be much colder behind it. 20s to around 30 for temps on Sunday, and there likely will be some snow showers with this front too, maybe with a little minor accumulation on Sunday. Now this high is going to have cold Canadian air with it, and it settles in for early next week. Looks like low temperatures will be between 0 and 5 both Monday and Tuesday mornings. A little bit of uncertainty though. What happens as this high is near or over us? If it weakens, a little moisture could come up, especially Tuesday afternoon into Wednesday morning. That's probably the next chance for snow. But as we see it now, it doesn't look like a big storm. We'll watch it though. Seas tomorrow 3 to 5 feet with westerly winds 10 to 20 knots. So sun's back tomorrow. Temps will be in the 30s for highs, with the high pressure area over us Thursday night into Friday morning. Upper single numbers to low teens Friday morning, but we're back up into the lower half of the 30s Friday afternoon. Saturday is probably the pick of the weekend. There will be a fair amount of cloud cover, but some sun at times, and we pop into the 40s, and then it's colder Sunday into early next week. So,
okay.
Yes.
Enjoy it while you can.
You got it.
Thanks, Ryan.
Yeah.